Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about phones and how to have short conversations on the phone. We're going to learn some vocabulary and some useful phrases that will help you feel more confident speaking on the phone in English. So, let's get at it. I have a weak signal. Now, a weak signal means that you don't have a very good connection. Someone is talking like that, so you can't hear what they're saying. So you could say, "Hey, sorry, I have a weak connection," or "I have a weak signal. I have a bad signal. I'll call you back." Right? And you call back, and maybe it's better. I have a weak signal. I'm putting you on speakerphone. When someone says they are putting you on speakerphone, that means they are changing the setting to have your voice come out of the phone's speaker so everybody in the room can hear you. Very important to tell someone you're putting them on speakerphone. My phone died. Well, that means that the battery in the phone ran out, empty, which means your phone turned off and the call ended. So, when your phone dies, you call someone back after you recharge, apologize. "Hey, sorry, my phone died. I accidentally dialed you." Sometimes you call someone, but you didn't mean to. You sit on your phone and it calls whoever. They answer, "Hello, hello." You hear the what? "Oh, hey, oh, sorry, I accidentally dialed you." Or you could say, "I butt dialed you," right? But you sat on the phone, you butt dialed someone. I accidentally dialed you. Shoot me a text. Send me a text, right? A text, SMS message, a little message on your phone, a little written message that you send to someone else. Shoot me a text. Send me a text. I left a voicemail. If you leave a voicemail, you're leaving an audio recording, an audio message of your voice. It's like years ago when you would call and leave a message on someone's answering machine. But now, you just leave it on someone's phone. But most people don't check their voicemail. At least I don't. So send me a text instead. I'll call you back. Simply means you are busy and you will call them back when you are free, when you are available, when you have time. Someone calls, they're like, "Hey, Jim, what are you doing?" "Hey, sorry, I'm busy. I'll call you back later." "Oh, okay, all right, okay, bye." I'll call you back. I need to update my phone. So maybe your phone, the software isn't working, it's old. So you need to update your phone. You need to install new software to your phone. You need to update my phone. You didn't pick up. You didn't pick up. You didn't answer the phone. Why? Who knows? Maybe you were busy. If someone says you didn't pick up, it means they called you and you did not answer. I got cut off. I got cut off is different than my phone died. It means the call ended, but the reason is because you entered a zone where the cell phone coverage is not very good. It's very weak, right? Maybe 1 bar on your phone. So the call ended. It got cut off. Next, we're going to learn how to have a short conversation on the phone, beginning with starting the conversation. If you're calling someone you know, it's different. A friend or someone, I just say, "Hey, how's it going? It's Jim. What are you up to?" But if you're calling a business or inquiring about something, you need to start the conversation a little differently. So you can begin with, "Hello, this is Jim. May I speak to whoever you're looking for?" Or, "Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Jim. May I speak with so-and-so?" Or, if you're not sure you called the right number, you could say, "Hi, this is Jim. Is this the correct number for whoever?" Starting a phone conversation. Next, you want to tell the person why you're calling, right? Identify the purpose of the call. Now, you can do that by saying, "I'm calling about the job listing," or "I'm calling about the apartment for rent. Is it still available?" Or if you're calling someone, say you are working at a business, you could say, "I'm calling from Joe's Pizza about your order. Is this Susie? Is this Margaret? Great, it's going to be late. Sorry." So identify the purpose of the call. I'm calling about. I'm calling for. Now, maybe whoever you called is busy and can't come to the phone, so you need to leave a message. "Could you please let Steve know that Jim called?" Or, "Could you please ask Steve to call me back at 999-999-9999? Leaving a message. Ending the conversation. Well, again, if you're calling a business or someone you don't know well, you can thank them for their time. "Thank you for your help. Have a great day." Or, "Thank you for your assistance. Take care." Now, if you were calling from a business, Joe's Pizza, you could say, "Okay, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call back. Goodbye." Ending the conversation. All right, that is it. That wraps it up. I hope that helps you to have a short conversation in English on the phone. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.